today we're out here on beautiful Lake Simcoe with Eli.
Hey!
We are just about an hour, just a bit over an hour outside of downtown Toronto, and we're gonna go hit the lake, some tubing, some water skiing, and all fun stuff. So let's see what the day brings. Ready?
Oh, you have to subscribe and like.
Subscribe. Look what we're doing for you.
Subscribe and hit that bell real quick. Like,
whoa.
Smash.
Here we go. What do you think of tubing?
Great. That's pretty crazy, boy.
Would you have flipped without me?
Yeah.
It was all the weight holding you down.
You almost made us flip.
I know.
Because you fell all the way to one side. This really should. So now we're gonna go on what we call like a lake walk because it's so shallow, the water. So we basically just walk out, like swim out to like deeper water and then see like jump on the waves.
We see how far we can go until we can't stand anymore, basically. So I hope the water is not absolutely freezing, and oh, it is. Oh, it's not. It's actually, it's not terrible. The ground is so soft. It's like it's sandy, but like gross. It's weird. It's very mushy. Okay, so I am freezing right now, but I'm gonna go in. Oh my gosh, look at this like mushy. Dude, this is what's all over the bottom. Like, it is pretty gross.
And this is the mud.
Ew. So we are now about 400 to 500 feet off the shore, and it is right up to my neck. There's Jory flat-footed. It is like stuck to his forehead. Yeah, there's Eli, just took off his life jacket. He wants to do a front flip, let's see it. Or a back flip. Look at this beautiful goldenness. I don't know how much you can see it, but I just had to clean my lens cap in the lake because I got a ton of marshmallows on it when I was recording that last shot of me eating it. Ooh, look at that, it's super nice.